Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nabnaleena from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off in the middle and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve across for the top. Then from the ends, let's curve it down and in. And now let's close it off with a U-shaped curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and draw the teeth. Let's start with two V-shapes at the top. And then 4 going down on each side, getting smaller as you go down. And now at the bottom, let's draw the tongue. Let's start inside on the right and let's draw a curve across. And then step up and another curve all the way down like this. And now let's bring it up on the right side. And now let's erase the overlapping line inside. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. Above the mouth here, let's start by drawing 2 circles. And then 1 more circle above it in the middle. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve on the bottom right. And now let's color each of these in black. Next, above each eye, let's draw 3 eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's move on top and let's start by drawing a curve. Then from both ends, let's curve it downwards. Next, let's add the bow on top of the head. Let's start with a square shape on the top right, overlapping the edge here. Then from the bottom, let's draw an angle down from both sides and then connect them at the end. And now let's do the same from the top. Now let's erase the overlapping line inside. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's hop down and draw the arms. Let's start from the headline and let's draw a curve up and outwards. And the same on the right. Now underneath this line, let's draw another curve back in towards the mouth here. Now at the end, let's curve it down, forming a pointed V shape. And the same on the other side. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move back in the middle and draw the body. Let's start by drawing a curve outwards, and then back in and out, following the shape of the mouth. And the same thing on the right side. Now at the bottom, let's add the legs. Let's start with the curve out and then curve it down. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back up into the side of the tongue. And that's it for Nabnaleena. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!